In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and integrate Anthropic Claude into Microsoft 365 Copilot for Research, Excel Agent Mode, and Copilot Studio. We'll walk through the full setup process in a clear and practical way so you can enable Claude and start using it across your Microsoft 365 environment. To begin, sign in to Microsoft Copilot Studio using an Enterprise Administrator account. This is important because access to model settings and deployment options usually requires admin level permissions. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct environment before making any changes. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen, open the settings menu, and navigate to AI models. This section is where you manage the language models available inside Copilot Studio, including any supported external models. In the list of available models, find Anthropic Claude. When you locate it, switch the toggle to Enabled. This activates Claude so it can be selected and used when building agents. If your organization manages model access centrally, this is the point where Claude becomes available for approved use cases. Once Claude is enabled, you can move on to setting up Researcher mode. Create a new agent in Copilot Studio, then choose Claude as the primary model for that agent. After that, turn on the web research capability. This allows the agent to support research-oriented tasks more effectively by combining Claude's reasoning abilities with web-based information access, depending on your organization's configuration. To enable Excel Agent Mode, open the Actions tab inside your agent setup. Add the Excel Online connector so the agent can work with spreadsheet-related actions. Then configure Claude to handle data analysis and formula generation. This is especially useful if you want the agent to help interpret data, suggest formulas, or support more advanced spreadsheet workflows in natural language. After everything is configured, save your changes carefully and click Publish. Publishing deploys the custom Claude agent so it can be used across your organization. If you're working in a test environment first, this is also a good moment to verify that the settings are exactly how you want them before broader rollout. Now open Microsoft 365 Copilot or Microsoft Excel. Look for the agent selector, click it, and choose the new Claude agent you just published. From there, you can begin using it for research tasks, Excel support, and custom experiences built in Copilot Studio. At this point, your setup is complete and Claude is ready to work across your Microsoft 365 apps.